Hi friends, today I'm just making this quick video to talk about what are the essential things you should worry about or have ready in case of any disaster or an earthquake kind of situation hits you, or a fire. What are the things you should be ready with, especially if you live in such area where earthquakes, fires, or anything like that is common, like California. So I'll be quick about that. Make sure you have plenty of water, 1 to 2 gallons per person per day for up to 3 days. Make sure to store them in BPA-free bottles. Second, you should always have some canned foods stored at home, like beans, corn, peas, something like that. If you can store some camping food, like dried foods, jerky, some crackers, something like that, that would be great too. In fact, that's easier to carry, lighter. And you can also put that in your backpack, which I'm going to talk about next. Have a backpack ready for each individual in your household. That backpack should have a comfortable pair of clothes, a comfortable pair of shoes, and some of the dried foods, a couple of water bottles, and a flashlight, which I'm going to explain next what kind of flashlight you should look for. Power bank or battery power thing for your cell phone, and a charger. You should have all these things in your backpack always. If you can have a utility knife, like a Swiss knife or something like that, keep that in your backpack. That's a very good handy tool to have around if anything, you are having issues or any problem. Let's talk about the flashlight. These days you can find these flashlights which you can crank up and charge, or solar powered. Look for something like that, because you don't want to run out of batteries at the time of emergency, or you're going to always keep replacing the batteries in your flashlight. Then the next thing, which should be part of your backpack itself, is a small first aid kit, just in case. That's a good idea to have around anyways. Then I would say, if you have a pet, make sure you have a leash, and you can store that in your backpack. One thing I realized that no one really talks about this, but have an emergency contact list ready, card or piece of paper. Put one in your backpack, put one in your kitchen drawer or somewhere, and put one in your car. So any emergency, anything happens, whoever finds that card, they can call that emergency contact. Have a couple names at least on that. Even if they're outside the country, it's okay. If you can have a basic toolkit, that could be like the one person in the family can have a basic toolkit. It's not really necessary, like a mandatory thing, but if you can, go ahead and have it ready. If you can get a packable blanket, which is the warm pashmina kind of blanket or something like that, that'll be very lightweight, nice blanket to carry around in your backpack. So you don't have to carry a big, huge, bulky blanket with you if that situation arrives. But have a blanket in your backpack if possible. And you can also keep playing cards or Uno in your backpack. Some entertainment's always good. That's all I had to say. In fact, that's all I could think. But if you think of anything else which is really necessary and I forgot about it, make sure to add it to the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Be safe out there.